How to buy a game with Steam points. For this, go ahead and launch your Steam and make sure you are logged in. At the top, you will see the store option. You have to go ahead and tap on the point shop option. In your point shop, at the top, you can check your balance at the side of the screen. So right here, I have at least of 1.312 points for me. However, you won't be able to buy a game using your Steam points. Steam points are used to buy profile cosmetics, chat emoticons, and community awards in the Steam point shop. You cannot use it to buy games, and it is actually the policy of Steam itself. However, to earn at least of 100 Steam points for every $1 you spend through community award on your game reviews. So regardless of the point that you have earned so far, you won't be able to use it to buy any games in your Steam. But you can use it to community award and appearance of your Steam as well, and also emoticons to use in your chat and so on. So we hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.